Hi guys, tara guys, mamundok tayo. Sabi kasi nila guys, may kapre daw guys sa isang puno dito sa bundok guys. Kaya gusto ko talagang maranasan guys, makita ko yung kapre guys. Sabi kasi nila guys, may kapre daw guys. Kaya samahan niyo ako guys, samahan niyo ako makita natin yung kapre guys. Ayan guys, ang daming ibon guys. Ibon lang guys, pero di ko pa nakita yung kapre guys. Ayan guys, patuloy lang ako naglalakad guys. Ito na guys, malapit na ako sa puno guys, kung saan guys sinasabi nilang may kapre daw guys na nagpapakita guys. Tapos yun guys, hindi mo akalain guys, yung kapre daw guys naninigarilyo guys, kung saan guys nagtatabako. Ibig sabihin guys, yung kapre guys parang tao din. Ganun ba yun guys? Parang ang word naman nun guys, parang tao din pala. Nandito na ako guys. Pagmasdan muna natin guys saglit guys, kung anong mararamdaman natin guys, kung may mararamdaman ba tayong kakaiba guys, kung may magpapakita ba talaga guys. Ngayon natin guys mapapatunayan guys kung may kapre ba talaga guys sa puno na guys, sa puno na ito guys. Kapre, magpakita ka na, harapin mo ako. Joke lang yun guys, baka magpakita talaga guys. Ayan guys, yan na yung puno na sinasabi nila guys. Pero mukhang wala naman guys. Di ko alam guys kasi hapon pala, maliwanag pa kasi guys. Mamaya guys, babalikan natin mamayang gabi guys, yung madilim. Doon natin mapapatunayan guys. Yan, umalis na ako guys. Wala kasi guys eh. Mapapatunayan natin guys kung meron ba talagang kapre guys. So guys, wait nyo guys, babalikan natin yun mamayang gabi guys, mga 6 PM guys. Sabi kasi nila guys, basta madilim, medyo madilim na guys, dun mo na mararamdaman guys kung meron ba talaga guys.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life. I wanna shopping. It's my life. I need money. Yeah.
Stop.
Ito na guys, madilim na guys, babalikan na natin yung kahoy guys. Ano guys, kinakabahan ba kayo guys? O excited na kayo guys makita yung kapre guys? Yan guys, papunta na ako guys.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life. I wanna shopping. It's my life. I need money. Yeah.
Ito guys, pabalik na ako dun sa kahoy guys. Medyo malayo kasi yung kahoy guys, kaya medyo natagalan ako guys. Saglit na lang to guys, makakarating din tayo dun guys. Ayun guys, medyo malalayo talaga yung nilakbay natin guys. Ito guys, gabing-gabi na guys. Siguro naman guys, nandun na yun guys. Ayan guys, papalapit na ako guys. Ano kaya yun guys? May nakita kong kakaiba guys. Totoo kaya yun guys? Totoo kaya yung nakita ko guys? Yun ba yun guys? Kaso hindi klarado guys. Sobrang dilim. Nandito na tayo guys. Grabe guys, sobrang dilim guys.